Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can use the overexposure warning on your drone in order to help you expose your shots correctly. Now the overexposure warning does exactly what it says on the tin. It warns you if you're getting close to your shot being overexposed or areas of your shots are actually being overexposed. Now in order to get this up on the screen, we just need to go into the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then we want to go across to camera and then scroll down until we see here overexposure warning. Now if I turn this on, we're going to see on the screen, if I then increase or reduce the shutter speed, so in this instance, I'm going to reduce the shutter speed to overexpose this shot. And if I bring it down to a point now where, now you can see here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, we're starting to get some zebra lines. If I go even further, more zebra lines appear, and even further, we get more and more of those zebra lines. Now what these zebra lines are basically showing us are the parts of the image that are now being overexposed and therefore just getting completely blown out and losing all detail. So what you basically want to do with this warning is you want to pull the image down to the point where you basically don't see any of those zebras anymore. Now if we go back here a little bit to 1/3200, we can see here we have some faint zebras in these bits of the clouds. This sort of means we're kind of walking the fine line of being overexposed, so you can actually get away with this level of overexposure warning if it's very faint. But if you're seeing something like this, then basically your shot is just overexposed and you need to pull it down. Now when it comes to exposing your footage, I always tend to err on the side of being slightly underexposed than slightly overexposed, because if you're slightly underexposed, you can still recover the exposure in those highlights and a lot of times in the shadows too. But if you overexpose and your highlights are just blown out, you're basically going to lose all detail there and you're not going to be able to recover it. So that's how you can use the overexposure warning on your drone. Use it, err on the side of being ever so slightly underexposed because it's easier to fix that in post-production, and you should be fine. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I actually also have a complete drone videography course which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.